Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This lecture is for grade 5 English and we are doing unit number 21, which is a poem, and this is third lecture for unit number 21. In this lecture we are going to move towards the other sections of exercise from this unit, and the first section we will cover is vocabulary. Then we will learn the language part of unit number 21, where we are going to learn about the topics of adverbs of time, manner or place. Okay, for these works you have to do some exercises in your book and some in your classwork notebook. So you must have your English students book and your English classwork notebook with you. Please prepare a classwork page from your notebook, and you have to prepare index also. For index you will write down the serial number, date and the topics. So before we begin this lecture properly, you must have your English students book and open your page 140. When you need to write down anything in your English classwork notebook, you will write it down with your pen and marker, and if you have to write down anything in your students book or workbook, you will write it down with the lead pencil. Okay, I am sure that you are following all these instructions and completing your classworks and homeworks. So please open your English students book page number 140. First part is vocabulary. Okay, in the vocabulary section we have first exercise, which is to match the creatures on the left with the suitable adjectives on the right. Here two boxes are given. The first box has some names of creatures and the second box has some adjectives. हमने करना क्या है, हमने फर्स्ट बॉक्स के में जो क्रिएचर्स के नेम्स हैं उनको सेकंड बॉक्स के एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ मैच करना है appropriate. For example, here the words are frog, fish, alligator, tortoise, agouti, flamingo, whale, hummingbird. And here the adjectives are scaly, graceful, cruel, majestic, delicate, slimy, furry, slow moving. हमने फर्स्ट बॉक्स से एक एनिमल का नेम लेना है और सेकंड बॉक्स से उसके अप्रोप्रिएट एडजेक्टिव पिक करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप यहाँ से पिक कर रहे हैं टॉर्टस सपोज, तो आप सेकंड बॉक्स में से ऑफ कोर्स स्केली तो नहीं लेंगे, क्रूअल भी नहीं लेंगे. टॉर्टस क्रूअल तो नहीं होता. टॉर्टस कैसा होता है? स्लो मूविंग. सो फ्रॉम हियर यू विल पिक टॉर्टस एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू विल पिक स्लो मूविंग. इस तरह से आपने सारे क्रिएचर्स को उनके अप्रोप्रिएट एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ मैच करते जाना है. एंड दिस एक्सरसाइज इज टू बी डन इन योर notebook. So open your notebook and write down this statement from this exercise. I am going to give you the solution. Let's pick the creatures and their adjectives. First is frog. कैसा होता है frog? It is slimy. You will not add this arrow. This is here just for your understanding. आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ अपने notebook में लिखेंगे frog और उसके सामने लिखेंगे स्लिमी. फिश स्केली. फिश के ऊपर वो होते हैं ना, स्केल्स होते हैं, डिफरेंट शेड्स के स्केल्स बने होते हैं. फ्रॉग के ऊपर नहीं होते, इसलिए हम फ्रॉग को स्केली नहीं कह सकते हैं. फिश कैसी होती है? स्केली. एलिगेटर क्रूअल, खा जाती है. टॉर्टस स्लो मूविंग. अगौटी फरी. अगौटी होते हैं स्मॉल रैट्स टाइप होते हैं और इनकी जो स्किन होती है उसमें बहुत सारी फर लंबी लंबी सारी होती है, जो बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे से रैट्स होते हैं. सो अगौटी आर फरी. फ्लेमिंगो ग्रेसफुल, प्यारा होता है ना, ब्यूटीफुल. वेल मैजेस्टिक, बहुत बड़ा होता है. हमिंग बर्ड डेलिकेट, बहुत नाजुक सा, स्वीट सा और ब्यूटीफुल होता है, नाइस होता है. हमिंग बर्ड डेलिकेट. Write down these creatures with their adjectives. Okay, On the same page, we have here the next section beginning, which is language portion, and here we are going to learn about the adverbs of time, manner and place. Do you know what is an adverb? Yes, you already know that what is an adverb. Adverb is a word or a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. Actually adverbs क्या होते हैं? वो किसी एक्शन या किसी एडजेक्टिव के बारे में बताते हैं कि ये एक्शन या ये एडजेक्टिव कहाँ है, कब है, क्यों है और किस तरह है। एडवर्ब्स ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो मॉडिफाई का क्या मतलब है कि उनको एलेबोरेट करते हैं, उनके बारे में बताते हैं कि ये किस किस तरह है। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं कहूँ कि ही इज़ रनिंग, द सेंटेंस इज ऑफ कोर्स कंप्लीट, बट अगर हम इसमें रनिंग को मॉडिफाई करें और एक्सप्लेन कर दें कि रनिंग हो कैसे रही है, वी विल से दैट ही इज़ रनिंग क्विकली, he is running very fast. So here quickly and very fast are adverbs because they modified our verb. It tells when, where or how an action is performed or indicates the quality or degree of the action. Adverb of time, manner and place. For example, last night the animals had a party. Animals had a party. Here in this sentence, last night is an adverb of time. It tells us that when the action happened. Another example is they talked excitedly. अब यहाँ पे एक verb कौन सा है? They talked excitedly. Here talked is a verb and excitedly tells that how they talk. Excitedly word हमें क्या बता रहा है कि जो talking हुई है वो किस तरह हुई है, उसका वे क्या था. So here excitedly is an adverb of manner. It tells us how the action is performed. Another example here that a lot of different animals were there. बहुत सारे animals वहाँ थे, were there. There is an adverb of place. It tells us that where it happened. Okay, so I hope you understood. Next, on next page of our students book, page 141, here is an exercise which is for the find the adverbs in each sentence. Say whether it is an adverb of time, place और manner. आपने सिर्फ ये बताना है कि इन sentences में जो adverb use हुआ है वो adverb of time है, place है या manner है. You will do this exercise on your book. आप book के ऊपर इन sentences में adverb को underline करेंगे और आप इस हर sentence के सामने ये लिखेंगे कि ये adverb of place था, manner था या time था. So let's begin. First sentence is the animals were all outside. The animals were all outside. Here in this sentence, outside is an adverb and outside का क्या मतलब है? बाहर. और बाहर कोई place है, manner है या time है. Of course ये place है. So this is an adverb of place. You will underline the word outside and will write down place in front of this sentence on your book. Second sentence is the mongoose and the frog ate wildly. The mongoose and the frog ate wildly. Action क्या है? Eating. और कैसे की eating? Wildly. So here wildly is an adverb. You will underline the word wildly and then you will tell that what type of adverb is this? Wildly. ये वर्ड हमें क्या बता रहा है कि ईटिंग जो है वो किस तरह हुई है, वे बता रहा है ना, दैट हाउ दे एट. सो दिस इज एन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. वाइल्डली एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. सेंटेंस नंबर 3 इज मिस टाइगर ड्रेस्ड ग्रेसफुली. मिस टाइगर ड्रेस्ड gracefully. Here in this sentence gracefully is an adverb and what type of adverb is this? This is adverb of manner. Fourth is the party went on for a long time. The party went on for a long time. Here we have एडवर्ब फ्रेज. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे एक वर्ड एडवर्ब नहीं है, एक पूरा फ्रेज है. फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो यू विल अंडरलाइन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड दिस इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. Sentence number 5 is the monkeys were shouting noisily. Monkeys were shouting noisily. What is the adverb? Yes, it is noisily and this is an adverb of manner. कि जो monkeys हैं वो shouting किस तरह से कर रहे थे. The way how they were shouting. So this is an adverb of manner. Sentence number 6 is by the next morning the animals had all disappeared. By the next morning, here the adverb is next morning and this is the adverb of time. Sentence number 7 is we looked everywhere for them. We looked everywhere for them. Here everywhere is an adverb and this is an adverb of place. 8th sentence is they had another party yesterday. They had another party yesterday. Here yesterday is an adverb and this is the adverb of time. Have you done this exercise? Okay. Our next exercise on the same page, exercise 2, is choose suitable adverbs from the cloud to complete these sentences. Here in front of this exercise a cloud is given where some words are given which are adverbs. These are energetically, everywhere, away, last night, soon, after dark, silently, loudly and suddenly. These all are adverbs. There are some adverbs of time, some are adverb of manner, some are adverb of place. So you will pick the appropriate adverb for each of the sentence and you will write down that in front of the sentence in the blank. Okay. Pick your lead pencil again and let's begin. First sentence is the party began. The party began after dark. यानी कि जब शाम के बाद जब अंधेरा छा गया और रात हो गई तो पार्टी स्टार्ट हुई. द पार्टी बिगेन आफ्टर डार्क. अब हम यहाँ ये तो नहीं कह सकते द पार्टी बिगेन एनर्जेटिकली और द पार्टी बिगेन एवरीवेयर, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना. तो अप्रोप्रिएट एडवर्ब कौन सा था? आफ्टर डार्क. सेकेंड इज वी वॉच्ड द एनिमल्स soon, silently, loudly, suddenly. क्या हो सकता है? We watched the animals silently. Third one is dash they became very noisy. Dash they became very noisily. अचानक से वो बहुत ज़्यादा noisy हो गए. कौन सा adverb आएगा यहाँ पे? Suddenly. Suddenly they became very noisy. Sentence 4 is they all started talking. Talking कैसे हो सकती है? What adverb of manner for talking is? It is loudly. They all started talking loudly. Fifth one is we could see animals dash. We could see animals everywhere. Sentence number 6 is they were clapping energetically. They were clapping energetically. Seventh is dash a lot of people arrived. Soon a lot of people arrived. Eighth is the animals were afraid and went away. The animals were afraid and went away. Have you done this exercise on your book? That's good. This is the end of today's classwork. Now let's discuss our today's homework. For homework you have to prepare your diary with the date, subject and your homework. I hope that you already have written your date for today. So you will write on the subject which is English and diary is From students book page number 140, you have to do question number 2. And from page 141, you have to do question number 3 on your homework notebook. On page 140, the question number 2 is from vocabulary, which is to choose 4 of the animals and write your own sentences. आपने जो animals और उनके एडजेक्टिव्स मैच किए थे उनमें से आपने 4 को पिक करके सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. एंड फ्रॉम पेज 141 द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज फॉर एडवर्ब्स. इट इज राइट योर ओन सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग एडवर्ब्स. डिस्क्राइब अ पार्टी यू वेंट टू विद योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स. राइट सेंटेंसेस अबाउट when you went to the party, how you were dressed, what you ate at the party. You will write down 4 to 5 sentences using all type of adverbs in those sentences, and these both exercises are to be done on your English homework notebook. From workbook you have to do page number 82 and 84. No, 82 till 84. It means that 82, 83, 84. Okay, grade 5. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.